Now, it doesn't even matter that this is not vented or draining properly. It's actually insane if you see what it looks like when this drain goes outside. But my word of advice, if you see your plumber and look at these primer lines on here, if you see your plumber using purple primer and just slopping it all over the pipe, they don't care about the job. If they don't care that their primer looks good, they don't care that the job is done right. I mean, you'll see where this drains outside. Hopefully they don't have any freezing temperatures there, because yeah, you're running your laundry drain directly outdoors and there's your